folks. Not sure if I actually explained what I was doing here with the different layers of foam. But this part here is to go in between the ridges, because the bottom of the van has all these ridges go up and down, and I'm cutting this so that fits in between. This lighter one is going to actually go on top, so I won't cut that at all. I'll just glue that over the top of this. This is all minicell, so there won't be any squeaking or any of that against the metal or against itself as I set it in place. So that was one of the reasons we went with the minicell, and it gives a good insulation for the floor. So you can see now I'm putting the strips down. It's going to take one and then one back here, so 2 for each row. These ones back here are a little longer, but I'll just cut the end, slice the end off it here and use it to piece in some of these other ones. So each one of these strips I've cut to 2 1/4, which fits in between these, right in between the ridges. Now when I get over to the further side and over to this side, they're a little wider, so I'm going to have to, oops, fingers here, they're a little wider here, so I'm going to have to make some other cuts. See, I just butt one up against the other here. Showed in the other camera, but this is stuff that I'm going to be gluing the foam down to the floor with. So it's just 3M high strength 90. It won't cause any issues with this type of minicell foam. So I'll put this layer down. I'm going to put another whole layer right across it, so I'll glue it again, and then I'm going to put plywood right on top of it. Everything's squished into a sandwich. Second layer down. So that's everything that's going to be in there for the insulation. Not overly concerned about it not sticking completely, like that little bump up in the middle. Not concerned about that. We will be putting plywood down on top of this, which is just going to snug everything in place. So that'll be next. We'll cut the piece of plywood up for the very top, indent it in and around. It's probably going to end up close to the doors with a 4x8 sheet. 6 feet across, so I have to put the 8-foot length this way. That'll give me 4 feet out. Second piece will fit in here, and then we will get the third and final piece that'll take up the back here. I'm pretty sure I'm going to have a little bit extra to maybe do something on the sides, but we'll take some paper, take a bunch of pieces of paper, and then just kind of scribe out what we need, make a template up around the front, and then we'll lay that on the plywood. A little easier to cut it inside the garage with the jigsaw. So I'll be able to cut all around there. We'll leave a little bit, 1/4 inch, 1/2 inch around the side. So I want to make sure I have insulation or something around the edges so that I don't have the wood to metal rubbing. So whether it's silicone or spray foam or whatever it is. I think I'm going with spray foam, but we'll see. 2 layers of foam, big difference in noise reduction.